how to make a guitar, no, a piano trap beat in Linux Multimedia Music Studio. First, select the tempo. In this case, I use this tempo, and listen to this beat. Okay, first now select the sounds. This is the 808, this is the clap, hi-hat, kick, piano, another piano, and other piano. Alright, where you can get these sounds? Bueno, I have these libraries with instruments and kicks and snare in my page, link on the description. Here you have the sound kits, trap, drum kick, trap, reggaeton, instruments, and this is the offer. Many people buy this auction because it's more is all sounds. So here you have the review of sounds, and you can buy this. Select your auction, click on pay, your email, your payment data, yeah, click on pay, conteproducer@gmail.com, 2 questions, and if you buy the course of production you will have these drum kits for free. Okay, my course are in my page. So here you have the free drum kit, click on download, and you can use this for free. Obviously here you have the premium libraries with more sounds, but yeah, link on description to my libraries. Okay, so these sounds are in the library. Yeah, with that you can make the beats. So the airway, let's see, piano roll, right, the clap, and I use the loop to watch the drums. Okay, clap, here I have the equalizer in FX, equalizer to high frequencies. Nice. The hi-hat, to make this roll, open piano roll and select this option in piano roll, zoom it, here, and put the notes like this with this velocity. No. Next sound, the kick. Yeah. Now the piano, open piano roll. In this case I use the minor scale, G minor scale, mark current scale, and I use this scale to make the sound, okay, the melody. Now here I have the another piano. nice. Oh, the effects in this piano is the isotope imager to make more expand stereo image. You have this plugin for free in the isotope page, and I use the Reaper. Okay, in this sound I use the river, only a simple river like this, and here in this melody nice. It's the same melody but with other sound. Okay, I use the attack to make a little bit different flow. Yeah, effects, river once again to this melody. Yeah, that is the beat. Here unlimited. Yeah, that is the beat. So I see you in the next video. Listen the final result. Yeah, comment and subscribe, like, etc.